Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time every day to stop back at my channel. Alright, I told you guys in my last video that I had a small Dollar Tree haul. However, I did go to the Dollar Tree in between the video and making it, and I found a couple more new items which I'm very excited about. And let's see, I'm having a storm, so there's a lot of windy stuff happening right now. My house is kind of shaking, the wind is blowing, so you might see my camera move a little bit. So we're holding on for dear life here. I'm just hoping and praying that we will not lose power. Please pray for me. All right guys, so some of the new items I want to show you is the hard candy again. I did find this one. This palette is so pretty. So this one is more of a green colors here, as you can see them. Very pretty, very pigmented too also. I mean, extremely very pretty. I'm going to try to use this. Probably, I like this one too. This is so pretty, so pretty. So I'm going to try to use this probably tomorrow. I did a little bit of makeup, not much, but I was going to go out until I realized the storm was getting really bad. So this is from the other day. I want to show you. I did pick up little rabbits. These are the little boy ones, very cute. And I did get the little girl ones, but I think I used them in a project already. So I found some more of the eggs. I am going to be decorating with the eggs for Easter, so I did pick up another. I know I have a ton of them now, but that's okay because I use them. So I saw these are so cute. They came in different styles. I did forget to take a picture of it, but I love the welcome one with the little heart, and it's gonna be so pretty with the little candle inside glowing. I thought that was gonna be really pretty. I'm gonna put that over on my fireplace, on my mantle. And I got two of these different. One says a house full of love, and the other one says if you can dream it, you can do it. However, I'm using these for shadow boxes, so I'm going to take off the writing and use them in shadow boxes for Easter. So I have a couple of ideas of what I want to do with them. So I had a dear friend of mine, Angie. Hi Angie, you're watching. She sent me some of the red trucks. She sent me, I think, one of the red trucks. However, it got sent back to her. There's a whole bunch of problems with my post office right now. So, but in the meantime, while she did that, I was actually able to find some of the red trucks. So I got these ones. I got 3 of them. I am going to be painting them different colors. One I'm going to keep red, and the other ones I'm going to paint like a pink one and a blue one, or a green one and a blue one, just to make it look like the village has a couple different trucks. And also I found another camper. I will be painting this camper a different color also. So I just thought it would be really cute for the village to have more than just one blue, you know, have maybe a green camper. Same with the trucks, just not have all red trucks, have different colors. Catnip for the kitties. And then I found some more of these, the metal letters, the metal words, spring, bunny, and welcome. I will be making a welcome wreath for the front of my door. If you hear that, that is the rain. It's raining so hard. However, my mom is getting snow, so I could be worse. I could be getting snow. This is all rain. And then I found these pot holders to go with my towel that I have. I love the little mason jar, Home Sweet Home. I thought that was really cute. So got that. And then for my Easter wreath, I got these. I think these are so pretty. So I did pick up 2 of them, and they're different. They're the same color, but they're different styles, except for this has purple, blue, yellow, pink. This one has pink, yellow, purple, yellow, pink. So there's no blue in this one. So I got 2 different styles for my, I'm only going to make a small one. And here are the little girls. I thought these were cute, so I will be putting them on my wreath. And then new items that I found at the store this time around, again, was these cute, adorable bunnies. This is a garland, and I'm going to put this across my mantle. I know that the cats will already go after it because they go after every one I have up there, but these are really cute. So, and it's the felt bunny garland with pom-poms. So there's 8 bunnies on there. So cute. I really thought it was cute. I needed some more chenille stems because I will be making a DIY, that carrot. I will have that done this week. So I wanted to get the orange and the green chenille stems. So I did pick up 2 of these. And new at the store, I have never seen these before, but the Secret, Paris Rose Secret, it's the invisible spray, so it lasts up to 48 hours. So I did pick up 2 of them. They smell really, really pretty. So I did pick up 2 of them. And then I saw this new Dawn. I know sometimes I don't think that this at the dollar store is really worth it, but I wanted to try this one. So it's the clear one. It's special value, pure essentials. So I wanted to try that. These were new. Aren't these the cutest little things, these little bags? These are so cute for Easter baskets. They're going to be really, really cute. I even think if you stuff them and make them poofy and put them down as little decor, I think that would be really cute also. Then for makeup, I found this e.l.f. this wax pencil. It's the Shape and Stay. It's for your eyebrows. It's just a wax pencil. I want to give that a try. And then this is the eyeliner pencil. It's a brightening eyeliner. This is in the color Coffee. Has a sharpener also. This is really a good product. And then the Peeps. These are so cute. I have a picture of all the different flavors that they had. I picked up the strawberry flavored lip balm. So in the Peeps, so cute. These will be great for Easter baskets. And then for the kitty cats, I got a little bowl for Lux. This is because he still is eating the baby food, the little, like the beef, the ham, and the chicken baby food. I get him in the little jars. So this is perfect for him. He won't be able to slip and slide it around, and he'll have that. And then for Stormy, her favorite, you do know that Stormy's birthday is coming up in March. So I believe her birthday is March 16th or 17th. It's one of those days. It's a day, 2 days I think before Stefano's, and his is the 18th. So I got her these. She will be getting a big cat bed for her birthday. So I already have it picked out, and she'll be getting it. I do want to get her one of those cat trees because she does like the cat tree, but I just can't afford it right now. So maybe in the future. But I'm getting her these. She will be 13 years old, my girl. So, and that is it. Other than the Rockstar, you guys always see these. These are 5 calories, 1 carb with the erythritol. That is that's what gives it the carb, is the erythritol. So that's it. I got 3 of them. That is my haul, guys. That is it. Not too much. I really did love the little Chucks are my favorite. I think they're so cute. And this eyeshadow, I just wish it was in a different color. I wish there was different colors other than just the green. I'm not sure if there is any more of them. I am wearing the Hard Candy, that 4 quad one. I'm wearing that today. It's kind of it's a little dark for me. It's just a little too dark for me. You know, I try to lighten it up with a little bit of lighter color in there, but it's just a little too dark. And maybe it's the time of day. It's just a little too much for me, but I like it. I'll probably be wearing it again if I ever go out on a date with my husband. I don't know. He's actually, he made his plane tickets. He will be coming, I believe, like the 28th of March. He's coming after his birthday, but he's still going to be here. So I only have 1 more month to get through, and we'll be able to see him. So then that means 2 months we hadn't seen each other, but that's okay. We talk as often as we can. His schedule is really crazy. He's going to work when I'm still sleeping. He's coming home, I'm getting tired. That's just how it always has been. So, yep, but he's doing good down there. He really loves his job. He really likes it. So I wish him all the best. We have some updated news about his dad. I'll tell you in a little chit chat with me video. So, you know, it is what it is. You try to do everything you can. All right, guys, so I will let you all go. Like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for showing. Don't forget to share, like, and leave a comment down below what you found at your local Dollar Tree. Hear that wind? And see, you guys are shaking? It's windy. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.